Alright everybody, this is a box I got from Comcast. I just was watching TV, watching Shark Week actually, and they popped up and asked if they wanted their new XFINITY service, their new XFINITY 1 or whatever they're calling it, X1 or I don't know what they're calling it, but it's supposed to be like voice search and all this fancy stuff, and they said it was free upgrade, so we'll see if it's actually free or not. They said it would replace the two cable boxes I had, and I said, well, if it's free, I'll give it a shot. We'll see if my bill changes. If it does, I'll just send the crap back. But I figure I'd do an unboxing just to see what you get when you click on that little button. It's on your remote on the TV, and it says, do you want us to send you the stuff? And I hit yes, and I didn't get any kind of notification or anything. This showed up at UPS today, and so we're going to take a look at it real quick. So again, this is what's coming in it. So there's a smaller box here. Here, I believe this is, I have two boxes right now, so I think they sent me two. It said they could send up to three. Didn't give me an option, but so here's this. It says, let's get started. Comes with, looks like their little new fancy remote. Check that out. Power supply. And this is the box. This is a lot smaller than the original. I'll show you the original later. Cable. Let's see what kind of cables. Got some coax. Looks like you got like two coax, so nice little. Kind of like this touch. I kind of like the Velcro touch. I use them for other things, but I kind of like that. HDMI, so you can't miss it. That's cool that they give you these. Are like $20 in the store. So if you bought them not online, so that's the first box. I think that's the second. Comes with power too. So I'm pretty impressed with the overall packaging of this. This is pretty cool. A little XFINITY, not really important. So it's the first box. A couple paperwork here. So top box. We'll blur that part out. So yeah, that's your account information. So don't put that stuff on the internet. Just basic instructions in Spanish and English. So yeah, it's X1 install order. Are designed to work together. Blah blah blah. No, it may not include all of the devices shown here. Okay, so this is giving you before you get in. Blah blah blah. We'll go through that later. Returning, easy return. So they want you to return your old equipment, which is understandable, but there's that. And then final quick one. So this is the main box. So this comes out here. This is the main. So it's like all shrink wrapped and kind of weird, but shrink wrapped to this top part. And again, you got your normal stuff down here. Power supply. Again, same cables. Remote. So I got two of these remotes. That's cool. And then you got more of your account information. Okay. Nothing else. So that's pretty cool. And again, it says let's get started. So I'm going to get started packing this stuff up. Maybe give a quick review of what I think of X1, and I'll give you an update whether it's actually worth doing this. This one's this primary set-top box too. So this is the primary, this big one right here. That's the primary, and then the other one would be the secondary. Alright. So that's pretty cool. So that one's a little bigger. Gives you an idea, first and second, what that's going to look like. So, alright. We'll get that going until next time. Yeah, so I want to give an update on using the X1 system from XFINITY. We've been using it for a good 6 months now, and I have to say I really enjoy it. I like it a lot better than their old system. The old system was absolute garbage. It was archaic. It was like working in DOS almost. It was just garbage. So the new X1 XFINITY interface they have is really nice. Netflix is the only online thing that works with it, except for YouTube. YouTube is on there too, which is actually really good. So Netflix and YouTube is actually integrated into the box. I didn't realize the YouTube part was until my brother started using it. So if you get a chance to switch over, I absolutely do it. I went and talked to Comcast and went down there, and they said they're just switching everybody over for free. There's no charge. They're actually trying to get everybody over to it because they want to get rid of the old system. So yeah, go ahead and do it. You won't regret it. It's got the only downside I can see to the system is the remote is though it's cool that you can pick it up and you talk to it and it lights up every time you it moves. I like that feature because in the dark and stuff you can see all the keys. The battery life on it is very low. It's way lower than their old one, so keep some extra batteries on hand because you will be needing them. It's the only downside I can see of the whole system. And a cool feature that you might not know is you do get a buffer on any channel you're just sitting on. If you're just watching it for a while, there'll be like a half an hour to an hour buffer. I'm not quite sure. It's around there. You can pause, rewind within that buffer. So you don't need the DVR service for that feature. So it's kind of like pausing live TV like a TiVo. Really nice feature. I use that kind of like in a live event or something like that. It's comes in handy. But otherwise, I give it a thumbs up. I really like the system. A lot better than their old system. So yeah, go ahead and switch over if you can. Yeah, and I didn't receive any extra charges on my bill. The only thing I had to the reason why my bill went up is because of data caps, because shortly after this, they added data caps to our service. And just a little pro tip, if you actually go down there and talk to them, it's only $25 extra a month for unlimited and not the $50 that they say online. So go down and talk to them. Actually, those guys are really cool. The people on the phone are terrible. I don't know who does their phone customer service, but they're actual personal people they have down working as far as our facility are great. So just give them a try, and like I said, you can save some money on that unavoidable data cap. If you want to get unlimited, it's only $25. So go ahead and check that out. Like, subscribe. Thank you for watching our videos. Again, we're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. We're getting hit by the new changes on YouTube, so I appreciate any likes, any subscribes, and we'll see you next time.